Hi.
I'm Dakota. You can call me Slow Motion. Got my helper today. Little Miss Olivia. She's excited. We have the motor ready to go in. We got Bear. Bear's gonna be spectating. We got the old motor out last week. We got an empty engine bay. All we gotta do is drop the new motor in, hook everything up, and hopefully by the end of the day we'll get it running. We got today and tomorrow to wrench on it. Next week we are entering this in the Christmas parade, so it's got to be running this weekend. We're gonna see if we can get it done today. As long as I don't get distracted and pull off on some side quest, I think we'll get her done today. So let's get into it.
Subscribe to Slow Motion's Garage.
What she said. Okay, we got Olivia on the camera. It's like 35 degrees outside. If the old tractor will start, we'll get into it. We're gonna get this old motor moved out of the way and the new motor moved into place. Going up. We're gonna pull the chain off this old motor, put it on the new motor, and get it moved into place.
Moving it into place.
Which one's the old motor? Which one's the old motor, Olivia? This one? So what's this out of?
That one, you put it in the truck, but I...
This is the first one I broke? This is the first one I blew up, ain't it?
Yes.
This is the one we just blew up.
Yes.
We're bad at this, ain't we?
We keep blowing every motor up for some reason. When we go to Disney, Oklahoma sometimes.
We're hard on things. That's important. Don't lose it. Oh no, we lost it.
Oh, we did it. I have it in my pocket.
Oh no. Our chain is stuck. Here.
Oh, the chain.
You got that? Got it. Okay. Oh, damn it. Darn it. Dang it.
You didn't need to say that.
Woo!
It's just heavy.
It's got a little weight to it, huh?
Like and subscribe!
There you go. You heard it here. There you go. All right, well, after sleeping in, we got ourselves another helper. Jeremy's helping. We got a motor hanging in the air above the buggy. Boy, are we getting close. Set her down in place. I'm getting excited now. Are you getting excited?
Yeah! So excited to put the engine in for my first.
Are you excited?
Yeah!
All right, this turned into more of a job than I wanted it to. The input on the transmission, it's not in good shape. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the transmission out. We'll see if we'll be able to get it ready in a week. We're gonna try our hardest. We got this chain fall here going down to the trans. You probably can't see it very well. It's real dark in here, but hey, we're making do with the barn. We're making as much do with the barn as we can, but the motor's sitting down in it. Now the trans is coming out. We got to get a new torque converter for sure. We're going to get the trans to a trans shop and see how quick they can get her done. Wish us luck. Are you excited?
No.
Well, we almost got this pain in the butt out, but it ain't me doing all the work. It's him down there. Watch this thing go out, babe. I'm Dakota. You can call me Slow Motion. This is Olivia.
Thanks for watching!
Thanks for watching.